हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आप लोग में से काफ़ी लोगों ने मुझे सजेस्ट किया टू डू अ रिएक्शन वीडियो ऑन जॉन अब्राहम्स फाइट सीन फ्रॉम द मूवी रॉकी हैंडसम. I've been following John from his initial days when he started his career as a model. I have been a fan of him since then, and I feel he has created a space for himself amongst all the big stars. He has got this separate fan base who watch all his movies. I also love his movies personally because of the action scenes. I feel John is really good at it. I like him as a producer more than I like him as an actor. I think he has got this really good sense of scripting and he always tries to come up with something new. His movies are generally content driven. Coming back to the movie Rocky Handsome, it was released in 2016 and directed by Nishikant Kamath and produced by John Abraham. It stars Diya Chalwar and Shruti Hassan. So let's not waste time and let's start the video.
क्या लगती क्या है तेरी? उसके लिए यहां मरने आ गया? लव द नेबर को इतना सीरियसली नहीं लेना चाहिए. आंखें, मैंने कहा था ना, बहुत पैसा मिलता है. देखोगी? खोल के देखो. शायद वो आंखें तुम्हें ही देख रही हो.
तेरी बॉडी के भी सब पार्ट्स निकालूंगा और बेचने लायक कुछ भी नहीं बचेगा.
This deadly action scene from the movie Rocky Handsome is a treat for all action fans. This fighting style portrayed by John Abraham with that knife is called Silat, which is an Indonesian martial art. After looking at the fight scene, you feel like John Abraham is a trained martial artist because he has pulled it off so well. I really like his intense look here. The time he covers the container which has the eyes with his jacket, you come to know that he is not going to leave anyone. The look on his face says it all. The whole action scene is very well choreographed and it looks good to watch. I also like the set where it's shot. It's beautifully lit up until John breaks everything. So overall, I've really enjoyed this action scene, and if there are any more fight scenes that you want me to react on, then do let me know in the comment section. Till then, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and do give me a thumbs up. Bye.